Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix iNet e-download failure on Microsoft Edge. First method is type Internet Options in Windows search bar, click Internet Options. Click Security tab, click Trusted Sites, click Sites. Add site name. Uncheck Require server verification. Second method is type Internet Options in Windows search bar, click Internet Options. Click Advanced tab, click Restore Advanced Settings, uncheck Enable Integrated Windows Authentication. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.